had me at.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. Today's video is a little different and it's a speed cleaning with dirty 30 routine. I saw this for the first time on another cleaning channel, Clutterbug. I'm sure a lot of you know her, and if not, I will link her channel in the description. This is basically a super speed clean. I like to use this method when I have some unexpected last minute call guests or on days that I don't have a lot of time to clean and I just want to freshen everything up a bit. I just set a timer for 30 minutes and I always start in the kitchen when I'm doing that because this room usually needs the most attention, and I'm starting with the dining table, and I just cleaned this table 2 or 3 hours earlier, so I'm just wiping down this spot that was actually used, and then I'm going to collect all the dirty dishes from the counters and put them in a sink so I can wash them later. But first I'm going to wipe down the countertops and the stove top, and I'm using my splendid kitchen cleaner.
'Cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You can ride all the blue. I wanna do what you want to.
We can leave and run away someday, someday.
I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you.
Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and sit in you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime when you're at a tight end. You, I got you, and you got me too. We can always make it through.
What we do is what we do.
I can take you anywhere, somewhere. We won't be scared.
You will see me flying high.
Now that all the dishes are washed, I'm going to scrub down the sink. For me, this is just like a cherry on top when I'm cleaning the kitchen.
We don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you.
Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and sit in you.
Now I'm moving into the living room and I will start by dusting this TV stand. I have to dust this TV stand almost every day because dust is showing like crazy on this dark furniture.
Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime when you're at a tight end. You, I got you. You got me, got me. You got me, got me. You got me too. Got me, got me.
I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it.
Now I'm picking everything off the table so I can wipe it down, and I will also fix the couch.
Need it too. 'Cause I got you.
And you got me too.
Let me tell you this, let me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss still burning. Didn't know I missed this passion in life. Now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile? It's impossible, not melting, irresistible. When I look through your eyes, not even sky's the limit. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough.
I also had to vacuum here. This is the only room I have to vacuum and mop constantly because of all the dog hair, and you can also see every little thing on these hardwood floors.
Like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, I go higher. You lift me up, now I can see so much farther. You're not rising. You're not rising. I'm a butterfly who has only begun, taking me a while to get it. Had to live
The next room I'm cleaning is the bathroom. I will just clean the toilet and the sink, and I will pick up all the dirty laundry and take it into the laundry room. I really have to get a small laundry basket to go in here so we are not leaving our clothes on the floor. I always make sure that I clean the toilet and the sink at least every other day, but if I know that I have guests coming, I will also do it before they come because I think it's really important to have these two things really clean.
and what you give is worth it. When you're holding me, when you hold me so close, I want further in under your skin. Wanna leave a mark so that I can be sure that you remember what's been. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, I go higher. You lift me up, now I can see so much farther. You're not rising. You're not rising. And let me tell you what I found. Leaving everything behind, knowing there is more in life that I want. Now I wanna embrace life. You and I side by side, knowing there is more in life that I want. You make me feel good.
I also started a load of laundry because I didn't do one today yet, and I'm also tidying up in here so there are no clothes on the floor.
I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, I go higher. You lift me up, now I can see so much farther. You're not rising. You're not rising.
I don't really need a new friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me.
I had 8 minutes left on my timer, so I figured that I will make our bed since I also didn't do that yet. But first I'm picking up all the clothes and putting them away or in the laundry room.
So spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden, are gorgeous. We'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, 'cause I am golden, I'm golden. You're not really looking for a friend, so you're the type for me. Never thought that loving would be easy, but it's all for free. Won't cost a thing, so it's yours, worth the try. Oh, this is the real thing. I'm down if you're down, boy. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you.
And that is everything for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this 30-30 speed clean with me. It's really great to use that to tidy your house a little bit more if needed. I finished with 4 minutes to spare, but I already did everything I wanted to do. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye!
Feels